Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then let's enter the settings, which should be in this upper panel. Let's tap on them. Then tap on the languages and tap on Add Keyboard. And right here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So simply find your language and tap on it. So let me pick this one. And right here you can choose the keyboard layouts. The amount of them depends on a specific language. So simply mark the one you'd like to use and untick the previous option. Let's tap on Done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to this list. And it depends. If you want to leave only new language, you can remove the previous one just by tapping on this edit icon. But let me first of all show you how the keyboard will look like with two languages. So basically we will have two differences. And the first one, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. And right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So just tap on it to switch through the layers. And if you want to, as I said, you can remove the language also. Just tap on this edit icon, not edit but settings icon, tap on the languages and pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, which means that possibly we could change our language. I did not really do that because I still have English, but you know the whole rule. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.